Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Donna here. So today you find me in my kitchen, a little bit different, but man cannot live by wreaths alone. And so I'm going to do a little cook with me video today. It's actually part of a collaboration with a lot of other folks on YouTube to celebrate the season of fall, and we're doing some fall foods. And I'm going to be doing a fall food on a Friday, Fall Food Friday, for the whole month of October. Fallon over at Moss Family TV is coordinating this group of cooks, and she should have a playlist up on her website, on her site, Moss Family TV. And if you head over there, you'll be able to see a listing of a lot of other folks who are also doing cooking videos, and you can get a chance to get lots of inspiration for your fall foodies. So what I'm doing today is celebrating one of the most common elements of fall, and that's apples. And even better than apples, when we go to our fall festivals and pumpkin patches and hit the food trucks in those places, one of the best ways to get your apples is called caramel apples. And anybody who's had a caramel apple knows that they're just delicious. Oh no, that's a kind of apple, isn't it? But anyway, and the last thing that I'm going to do is to pair those two great elements with cheesecake. Now, I mean, seriously, folks, how can you go wrong? So I'm going to just get the camera set down so you can see what I'm doing. It's a simple recipe. Takes no time at all. Takes a little time in its cooking and cooling part, but the preparation is really simple. So give me a second to get the camera located so you can see what I see, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's all of the ingredients you're going to need. You need one 21-inch can of apple pie filling of whatever brand you prefer. You need a jar of caramel topping. Again, whatever brand you prefer. Some vanilla, a half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, a graham cracker pie crust, and 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, which I already have over here in my stand mixer. And all we're going to do, I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to start by getting the cream cheese mixture going. It takes 2 eggs, the 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, and the half a cup of sugar. And I'm going to start this mixing. Probably will hear it in the background. Okay, in the meantime, I have my can of apple pie filling. I like these cans now that they put the flip tops on them. And it says to reserve 3/4 of a cup of this for later. So I'm going to just take 3/4 of a cup out. Looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to take the rest of it and just dump it in the pie shell. And this is a 9-inch graham cracker crust. Spread it out. Okay, whoops, I'm also going to add just a little bit of vanilla to my cream cheese mixture. And I'm going to whip that really quick for a minute. 1 minute, I'm going to just get down my sides here. Okay, I'm going to have to move the camera a little bit, so bear with me. What I like about this recipe is that it does not make a humongous cheesecake, because we're just 2 people, and if I make one of my regular New York cheesecakes, it's just too much. So by using something like this, other than the fact that it's delicious, see, other than the fact that it's delicious, it makes a small enough serving that in a couple of days or 2 or 3 days, we can probably eat it up. So now all I'm going to do is to pour this on top of the apples. Smooth it out. And that is going to go into my 350-degree oven for about, it says 20 to 30 minutes. I will check it. No, I'm sorry, it says 30 to 35 minutes, and I'll check it probably within a half hour. So I'm going to put it in to cook, and I'll bring you back when I take it out of the oven. Be back in a while. Okay, well, here it is out of the oven. It's been sitting here for about, maybe 25 minutes. Let me just put my microwave on for 30 seconds. What I'm doing is I'm taking the other 3/4 of a cup of the apple pie filling and a big fat 1/4 cup of the caramel topping, and I'm just heating them up a little bit so they'll become spreadable, because the caramel topping when you open the jar is just, is quite stiff. Now it says to decorate the top edge of it after you've got your caramel. Let me just check this. I'm going to give it just another 15 seconds. It says to decorate the top of it with maybe some half pecans and then sprinkle chopped pecans on it. I didn't have any pecans, and I'm not really interested in buying a bag of those pecans that are very expensive. just to decorate the top of this pie. I will buy some when it's time to make a pecan pie. Okay, here we are. And you can see, and this I'm just going to spread all over the top. I mean, seriously, folks. Now, I will tell you, I did take my kitchen shears and kind of chop through some of these apples just to break them up, and I guess I didn't get them all, obviously. I'm trying to get it all over the top. Let me get my shears one more time here. I don't know that I can do that without wrecking the top of the pie. So what I have done instead of the pecans is just chopped up some peanuts. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on the top. And that, folks, is it. I'm not going to pick it up yet because it's still too jiggly. Hot. But that is caramel apple cheesecake pie. Now it has to go in the refrigerator for, I'd say, a good 4 or 5 hours. And right now it is 1:16, so it'll be just perfect for dinner tonight. And so when we cut it later tonight, I'll take a little snap and show you what it looks like and give it a taste test. So until then, I'll be back in a little while. See you in a bit. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, seriously, how bad could this be? We are going to cut this. I'm going to make a small piece. And of course, the first piece out of a pie is always something to be desired. So we'll try it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This seriously looks like something you'd like to eat. Now I'll bring you up. Nope, wrong way. Sorry. And we'll do a taste test. Oh, wow. This is, let me bring it back down. Oops, sorry. This is so creamy. The creaminess and the apple pie in the bottom. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Wow. Week number 1 is a winner. Try it. You'll love it. Talk to you next Friday. Bye.